Hi babes, welcome back. It is officially Oscars week and I'm attending several different events for the Oscars all week long. So I'll be sharing all the different looks that I create for these events, starting with tonight. I'm getting ready to go to a special event with Lancome and Vanity Fair. First thing I'm doing is I'm prepping my skin. I'm using these eye serum masks from Erna Laszlo. I love using these before I do any makeup for a special event. I put them on about 10-15 minutes before I start makeup and they just like soak into that area, and they're great for darkness. They kind of brighten your eye area. If you have any puffiness, they're great for that. I've already blown out my hair for tonight and I don't want it to crease, so a little trick I do is I take a tissue paper and just a silver clip and I just clip my hair back, and putting the tissue paper in between prevents your hair from creasing. So this is my little trick when I'm getting ready. And then to give my skin a bit of hydration, before I put anything on it, I'm using the H2O Beauty Oasis Quench the Day Hydrating Mist. This is instant moisture on the spot and it just feels so good doing this step before foundation. And for lips, I'm using the Buxom Big O Power Plump Lip Balm, another fave. This gives a little bit of tingling and a little bit of plumpness, but it's super comfortable to wear. For primer, I'm using two of my favorites. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primizer Primer and Moisturizer in one to start. This is a really nice lightweight primer moisturizer. So if you have oily skin, you could actually just skip moisturizer and just use this. So I apply this first and then I use the number 7 Airbrush Away Primer. This is great for texture, for pores. It gives your skin just a really beautiful, flawless looking finish. This is a great base under foundation. For foundation today, I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation. This is a great, comfortable, long wearing foundation that's gonna look great on camera. It's gonna last all night. So this is like a great event foundation. Plus it's great for every day as well, but I really like this for events. And it doesn't look heavy on the skin, but you are getting like a nice kind of more of a medium coverage. So again, it's gonna look really pretty in pictures. I'm using my beauty blender to apply it to get just a really beautiful natural finish. And for the eyes today, I am so excited about this palette, you guys. I got this the other day in a PR package from BH Cosmetics. It's the Glam Reflection Rosé 15 color eyeshadow palette. Go get this palette, you guys. This is a dream palette. This is the type of palette you're going to use all the time. The colors are so beautiful. It's a great everyday palette. You could use this palette for so many different looks. This is all I'm using today. So I'm mixing these kind of medium tones for the crease with a big blending brush. And then I'm going in with the slightly darker brown shadows and a smaller brush and just focusing that color in my crease area. So I wanted this look to be just kind of full on glam. I usually think about wardrobe first and then figure out hair and makeup. I'm wearing my black leather jacket and big hardware earrings and a black crop top. So I'm wearing a lot of black, so I really wanted my makeup to stand out, and I thought like this sexy smoky eye would totally do it. Next, I took just a clean brush that has no product on it at all, and I used that to just blend out all of my edges. This is one of my favorite tricks to do to get a really clean eyeshadow look. And then I'm going in with this beautiful champagne rose shimmery shadow just with my finger. These shadows are so pigmented and beautiful, and I just applied that right in the center of my lid. And then I took the nude shadows and just cleaned up around the edges again. For the lower lash line, I'm using these two bronzy shades, the light and the dark, just kind of mixed a little bit with a flat shadow brush and applied that right at the base of my lashes. And then my favorite part of this look is I took this Smoldering kohl pencil from L'Oreal and really smoked out my lower lash line. So I applied a ton of black liner for this look and just really smudged it into my lashes. I went back and added several layers to get it super black. And then I took the dark brown shadow from the palette one more time and mixed that shadow with the black and just really smudged it out with a brush. For lashes, I curled my lashes and I used these lashes from Eyelure and Vegas Nay. It's the Bronze Beauty lashes. They looked really, really pretty on and they really worked for this look because I didn't do liner or anything on the top lash line. So it just all came together. I cleaned up my under eye area with the brand new Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion concealer. These ones just came out, so it's part of the same line as the foundation that I used today, and it has a really nice finish, but I just made sure to not apply the concealer too high so it doesn't mess with my eyeshadow. That's a little trick. And I set everything with one of my new favorite powders. This is the Ofra Banana Powder. This really helps just brighten that eye area and set your concealer. I wanted to give my skin a little bit of a contour, so I used this brand new bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics. This is Take the Home Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. I love the Balm. I love their packaging. Their products are so good and they're always super pigmented. My second favorite part of the look was the lips. I used these two colors from Maybelline, the Superstay Matte Ink. This made the perfect nude combo. So I started with the darker color in number 65 Seductress and I applied that all over my lid. I love the wand on this applicator because you can get like a really nice clean application. I left the center of my lip bare and then I went in with the lighter color, number 60 Poet, and I applied that right in the center of my lid. And this lip combo was so pretty. For cheeks, I used the brand new blush from NARS Spring Collection. It's called Free Soul and it's the prettiest soft pink with a hint of shimmer. It just went perfectly with this makeup. And then as a final touch, I use this gorgeous highlighter from ColourPop. This is their Just For Us Luster Dust, and it has this gorgeous kind of like very iridescent pinky vibe to us. So the luster dust, you can do a lot with it. It could be a highlighter, you can mix it into your creams. I just decided to use it this way today and it looked beautiful with this makeup. That is my first look for Oscar week. I am heading out to this event tonight. I'm posting a ton on my Instagram, so be sure to add me if you aren't at Eman and hit subscribe for a lot more makeup tutorials. Also, I'm going to be putting up some of my favorite Oscar looks from the past years, and I'm gonna get you guys to vote on which ones you want me to recreate. So make sure you add me so you can vote for your favorites. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you love this look, and I will see you in another video very soon.